Yes, today's my birthday! I'm so excited! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday to me! Hey, keep it down. Stop screaming. Your sister's trying to sleep. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just really excited. And aren't you forgetting to say something to me? No, what do you want me to say? Good morning to you? No, how about happy birthday? Today's my birthday. And where's my birthday breakfast at? Oh yeah, today's your birthday. I'm sorry. I totally forgot. I was up all night with the baby. I didn't have time to make your birthday breakfast. Just go grab something out of the fridge. Are you kidding me? But I always have birthday pancakes on my birthday. This baby ruined everything. Oh well, at least I'll have cake and presents. Yeah, sure, we'll have cake and presents later. Oh no, honey, I forgot today was what's-his-name's birthday. Did you get him cake or any presents?
No, how would I know? I don't even know any of the kids' birthdays.
Oh well, who cares? We'll figure something out.
Oh, hey, what's up, Billy? What's wrong with you?